aha mukorogo Bishop Johnson Twino Mjunor Chancellor wa University Jean wayebembiro kujweka abahereza emishomo yabo obwaro kwerwaho Dr. Nathan Karema abaherizo bahabuza habeja bahendire emishomo yabo.
The knowledge and skills you have acquired should enable you to live but also to make a living. Wale waza mu University okashoma okuka burobwenge bwo kubaho Ochirgaha obushema bukakutomarwa bukakutomushambani omukashesho kahwahota katungire byoshomeye robotene cyosomeye.
Congratulations. Thank you for the effort you put in to achieve your objectives. Now that you are armed with knowledge, we are sending you out. Go and apply the knowledge you have acquired from here.
Okubiro kujweka kwa katana habwa Ankole Western University kandi abajwire bashabira kuhanga hemero mu kutaro kurinde ya office.
Uganda of today, job creation will give you more employment opportunities than job seeking. There is a philosopher encouraged the young generation to always be job makers but not job seekers.
Where you need to grow is discipline. I've never seen an indisciplined person flourishing or succeeding in life.
Dr. Nathan Karema rukura kansero kutwari tendechereri ya sima bazire ahabo kufayo bakerwanira hari bakashomesa abana.
Abazire babana abatwera abana mukatwesika mutabana kandi umwine bizo mukuraba metukumanya kutunga sente konka mukamuzamu mukatereza abana kugira ngo bashomese ni basima mnono
nkoko ikuminu kugira ngo abantu basima mukama ahabwe birunjo byabakorera kuri abantu basima mukama tumahurira bambashoma posthumous. Do you think you are special?
Kusima hanga mnonga habwe cyo yatkorizo beri kandi nabwa Ankole Western University etuyambere munonga kureba gutwargayo rire tuyambere na munonga ito baruko abo kushomana tukora.
Abeja barukurenga 58 abakiri first class bahebwe berabo. Gasha kwa Sheikh Abdul Latif.